Yeah.
Where is he? He's in there. Okay. Hey, buddy, open it. Let it.
Yeah, it's your bed. Are you so excited?
You like it? Yeah. Oh my goodness, you are so lucky.
Doesn't your room look so beautiful?
Look at your curtains.
They're purple.
Yeah.
That's what you wanted, right?
Look at your sheets.
Did you look at your sheets? Who's on your sheets? Who's this?